Hey guys, so today's quick question is, what is the process of applying a trademark and how long will it take to get approval? In my experience, it's a very long process, takes up to 12 to 16 months because normally the authorities submit your trademark in public, and if no objection comes, then only they can issue you a trademark after 3 months once that waiting period is gone. So how the process is simple. You start the search on USPTO website whether your trademark is available. If it is available, you can start an application on the platform which is called Trademark Application Electronic System, if I'm not wrong. And you have to fill all the information, the owner of the brand name, which product category you want to do. You cannot have a brand name across categories. You have to pay the fee for each category. So let's say you want to apply only for a pillow, for example, then the brand trademark will go for only that product category. You can use for other categories, but if somebody else want to use for, let's say, selling jewelry for the same brand name, they can do that as per system. So choose the category, make sure you have pictures of brand with product and packaging. If you have a trademark which has color combination and things like that, you should make a note of those because you need to register that. You need to have a publicly available contact information of the brand owner, right? Because once they submit for objection, there will should be a way for people to connect with you in case somebody is already having same trademark and they want to contest it, right? If everything goes well, then they publish it for, I think, 6 to 9 months. If nobody object, then they will issue a trademark. Normally the trademark is valid for 5 years. Within 5 years you have to get a renewal certificate, otherwise you have to start the process again. So make sure that you also have those timelines in mind. You can hire a lawyer for sure. It's a costly affair if you want to hire a lawyer. I'm going to make one video soon on how you can do step by step. But yes, you can start these processes meanwhile so that you are aware of what kind of things you need for submission. So yeah, let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks. Bye bye.